how to add a new product to your customers and create invoices automatically. First, you will go to billing invoicing, place a new order. Now, by default, earlier we selected if the products that we're selling are on special or not. If you tick that checkbox, this is how it highlights up front and the defaults on the main screen by default. Also on the client portal, similarly. Now, if I want to add, say, Dell Vostro, one of my customers added. If it's a new customer, I will click this icon, add service to new customer. If it was an existing customer, I can do this. But before I do this, I must select existing customer. Let's start with add service to a new customer. Click on the icon. Now first, you must enter the customer details. Generate a unique username for the customer. So I will say Jose1 and any password like this. Ideally keep it short and sweet, 5 letters long. Status active. Is it a company or not? You can leave it empty if you don't want to. It's not a company. Some email address, you can say Jose1 at bravo.com. Second email address, phone number, if you have any other details, for example. Name, Jose Gonzalez. Fill out the other details if any. You can leave everything blank if you need to. Address details if you have, that's great. If not, leave it. Email format, this is the communication format, HTML emails or text emails referred by Google or whatever else. You can maintain this yourself. Everything else you can adjust according to your requirements. Medium trust, high trust level, what kind of skills this customer has, and so on and so forth. Does it allow tax exemption or not? Suspension exemption, fraud check, have you done or not? All these things are used for advanced purposes. Now at the bottom, if you scroll down, you will see the service details. Now what kind of hard drive this had? 50 GB hard drive. Processor, I wanted the i3, and this could be anything depending the custom. These are the custom fields that you created. We created for Dell laptops. Now here you can select to this order is a tax applicable or not. So yes, it is applicable. Quantity, how many you want to order? You want to order 1, and the period is once off. And this is the tricky part here. Price override. Would you like to give them a discount or not? If yes, then click that, tick that icon and give them a discount. Say price override, you want to give, say you will giving 500 rand discount, so it will be 9,500. If it was a recurring service, it would have been only once off price override, then the discount would have applied only to the first invoice. But this is a once off service, so you can ignore that. Do not generate invoice. Do you want to generate invoice or not? In this case, most likely you want to always generate the invoice, therefore leave that unticked. So who's the supplier? You can select the supplier here. Was it affiliate order? All the settings are by default your global settings. You can leave it on as is. Order date, when you're going to activate today, and save changes. Click on save. Now what this will do is, if you click on save changes, it will add the user that you created at the top. It will add the service to this user and also generate an invoice. Sorry, password is mandatory. Enter some password, and that's it.